Keshia and I'm here with Beauty Bay, and I have just created this look using the ANASTASIA Beverly Hills Soft Glam palette. If you're new here, subscribe and keep watching to see how I created this look. Okay, so I'm here with the ANASTASIA Beverly Hills Soft Glam eyeshadow palette, which is the next installment of eyeshadow palettes from ANASTASIA Beverly Hills. So I'm going to open it up. And as usual, she has a beautiful suede packaging. I love this packaging. I think it's just so glam and luxurious. And everyone that sees this palette is like, is that suede on a makeup product? It's just so beautiful. So I'm going to open it up. Let's see the colors. So this palette is described as an everyday to night palette. And oh my God, the colors are so beautiful. All neutral, and then you have these beautiful shimmery shades as well. I'm so excited to try on this palette. Okay, so before I create any looks with this, I'm going to do some swatches. So I'm going to start with Tempera, which is a beautiful, beautiful cream nude kind of shade. This would be great for any base to a makeup look. And then I'm going to go in with Glistening. This is one of the really beautiful glittery shades. And then I'm going to go in with Orange Soda. Oh, very nice. This would be beautiful for any transition colour. And then I'm going to go in with Rose Pink. This colour is so beautiful. It'd be so good for weddings, spring, holidays. Yes, Anastasia. She never fails. She never fails. And then I'm going to go in with Sultry. Look at that. Oh, I love that there are shimmery shades in this, but they're all still really neutral. Okay, and then I'm going to go in with Bronze, which I'm really excited about because it looks really golden. Ooh, that is beaut. And then I'm going to go in with Mulberry. So far, I'm so happy with these pigments. They are so strong. That is so nice. Such a beautiful brownish, smoky shadow. And then I'm going to go in with Dusty Rose. Beautiful. And then I'm going to go in with Fairy. And next up is Burnt Orange. I love these orangey shades so much. I'm so happy she's got them in the palette. And next up is Sienna. Oh, I can't wait to try this palette. And next up we have Rustic. This palette is winning on the brown front. And next up is Cypress Umber. I love these pigments. And last but certainly not least is Noir. Look how black that is, guys. Okay, so now that I've swatched all these amazing colors, I do have some favorites. I love Rose Pink. I think that color is absolutely beautiful, and it's just, I can just imagine wearing it in the spring, you know, a wedding or something like that, just anything in the day. I just think it's just beautiful. I love Sultry. I think it's a very sultry color. And then I also love Mulberry and Sienna. I think that these colors are just so beautiful and they're right up my street. And then obviously Noir, I mean, hello, when do you ever get a black in a palette that's that dark? Very hard to find. So, okay, so now that I've finished swatching, I'm gonna go in and create an eye look. So excited. So I'm gonna start with Sienna in my crease. And then I'm going to go in with Mulberry. I'm going to put that into my crease and just in the corners. So I'm just putting some concealer on my lid, and then I'm going to go in with Sultry. Look at that colour, guys. So I'm going to put some black pencil liner in my waterline, and then I'm going to go in with Noir. So I've popped my lashes and liner on, and this is the finished look. I thought I'd challenge myself to do a night look, but it wasn't a challenge at all, honestly. There's so many beautiful colors, and I'm so happy that it's turned out like this. Give this video a big thumbs up if you liked it, and let us know in the comments if you've got this palette and your thoughts on the palette. We're gonna leave a link in the description box, and subscribe to see more from me.